Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn our framework, LWC, Apex Class Trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. Hello friend, I welcome you to my new series of tutorial, Mastering the Validation Rule and Formula Field in Salesforce. So this course is especially designed for the developer who want to learn how to improve data quality and build a powerful business rule in Salesforce. So what you will be learn in this course? In this course, you will learn step by step from beginning to advanced level about validation rule and formula fill in Salesforce. So friends, in this course, you will learn how does work validation rule and how does work formula fill in Salesforce and how to write validation rule and formula fill logic expression in Salesforce. So friends, now let me learn more about how does work validation rule and formula fill in Salesforce and what is a validation rule and what is a formula fill in Salesforce and how does work validation rule and how does work formula fill and how to write a logic expression in validation rule and formula fill in Salesforce. So friends, now let me share my screen where we will be see more detail about validation rule and formula fill in Salesforce. So now let's get started. So friends, here we will be learn more detail about validation rule and formula fill in Salesforce. So let me know more detail about validation rule first. So what is a validation rule in Salesforce? A validation rule in Salesforce ensures that the data entered into record meets a specific business requirement before allowing to the record to be saved. Validation rule always check the specific conditions. If the condition isn't matched, then an error message is shown to the user. So validation rule work on the specific condition. If condition isn't matched, then the error message will display to the user. So friends, let me see an example about the validation rule. Let me see there is a discount field in my object. And if I want to ensure that the discount field doesn't exceed 20%, if user enter a value above 20%, the system will display an error message and stop the process. So, in this example, we will be write a condition in validation rule. If user put a value more than 20%, then system will be display an error message. So, there is a discount field in my object and we will be write a condition if value more than 20%, the system will check a condition. If value more than 20%, then system will display automatically error. So this is a small example about the validation rule. So friends, here you can see if you want to ensure that the discount field doesn't exceed 20%, if user enter a value above 20%, the system will display an error message and stop the process. So friends, validation rule helps maintain data quality, enforce business process, and prevent invalid information from entering the system. Now let me move on the formula fill in the Salesforce. So first we will be know about what is a formula fill in Salesforce. A formula fill in Salesforce is a read-only field that automatically calculate and display values based on formula. Formula field are a standard feature that can be used to manipulate data, perform calculation, and display data in variety of the ways. Formula field are a specific field that automatically calculate value based on other fields. You can use formulas to display information like age, discount, or even complex calculation. Formula fields are useful to reducing manual data entry, error, and ensuring data consistency. So, friends, formula field always read only field, and this is a standard feature of the Salesforce to be used to manipulate data, perform calculation, and display data in a variety of the ways. And validation rule always work for a specific condition. If condition isn't matched, then an error message will be displayed to the user. So friends, in the next lesson, we will be learn more about the validation rule and we will be learn how does work validation rule and how to write a condition and logic in validation rule and how to display error message before save the record in Salesforce. So in the next lesson, we will be create a custom validation and we will be write a condition and we will be display error message before save the record in Salesforce. So now let's see in next lesson. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search TechW3 Web, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get directly working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.